Good morning, children. Our fifth lesson is over. Today we are going to start the sixth lesson, Empowerment of Women and Other Weaker Sections. Women had participated extensively in the freedom struggle. Women have also made important contributions in the field of post-independence period too. That's what we will study in this chapter, as also the laws enacted for women and other weaker sections. So we all know that many women participated in the freedom struggle. For example, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sarojini Naidu, like that. And after the independence also, they made important contribution in all field of the society. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the empowerment of women, and not only that, laws enacted for the woman also we are going to see. First of all, I am going to read the table of number of women per 1000 men. In the year 1951, the number of women per 1000 men were 946, and in the year 1961 it was 941, and in the year 1971 number of women per 1000 men were 930, and in 1981 in 934, and in 1991 it was 927, and in the year 2001 the number of women per 1000 men were 933. Find out the reason why the number of women per 1000 men in the population has been decreasing. Why it is happening? The number of women per 1000 men in the population had been decreasing. Okay, in 1951 it was 946, and in 2001 it was 933. So what is the reason? I think the main reason is that female infanticide. Okay, when we study the condition of women in India, we realize that the roots of several of the problems they face lie in the mentality of men. Even in the 21st century, we have not been able to rid ourselves of this male-centered mentality. We know that Indian society is a male-centered society. There are a lot of feminist and feminism movements are here. But anyway, the Indian society is a male-centered society. We are giving importance to male or boy child, not giving any importance to the girl child. That is the speciality of Indian society. Vinoba Bhave made use of woman power in Bhudan movement, which he had started placing his faith in Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy. Women volunteers carried the message of Bhudan to all parts of India. Women played a significant role in the Telangana peasants' armed struggle, which challenged the rule of the Nizam and feudal system. As their region became free from bonded labor, women also found freedom from this torment. So Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave was an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights. So he led one movement that is known as Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement means voluntary land gift movement. Bhudan means land gift movement. It was a land reform movement. The Bhudan movement attempt to pursue wealthy landlords to voluntarily give a percentage of their land to the landless people. ओके भूदान मूवमेंट मीन्स उन लोग ये बोलते हैं जो वेल्थी लैंडलॉर्ड्स को अपनी लैंड का एक परसेंटेज लैंडलेस पीपल को देना है. सो मेनी वुमेन आर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस मूवमेंट. Women volunteers carried the message of Bhudan to all parts of India. Then next one is Telangana peasants armed struggle. Okay, that also a struggle. They fought against the feudals and nizams. So the result of this Telangana peasants armed struggle, they got the freedom. Means they free from the bonded labors. Bonded labors means जैसा कुछ लेबर्स हमेशा के लिए जिंदगी भर किसी का लैंडलॉर्ड्स का लेबर होके ही रहना पड़ते थे, उसमें से वो फ्री हो गया. Women's also found freedom from this torment, means this painful women's found freedom from the painful situations. In 1972, again women organized against the rising price and shortage of food supply. It was under the leadership of Mrinal Gore. She was a socialist leader. So what this demonstration is known as Latne Murcha, means rolling pin demonstration. What happened? The commodities like oil, ghee, rava, maida would become scarce just as Diwali was near at hand, and kerosene had become very expensive. The shortage of food and the increasing price of kerosene, against this, women came together and displayed their rolling pin and took part in this demonstration. Okay, this moment met with success and the public got a glimpse of the united power of women. Public came to know about the power of women through this Latne Morcha. In Latne Morcha, the women came together and display the rolling pin against this, the shortage of the food and the increasing price of kerosene. So that was the second. The first one was Bhudan Moment. Women participated in Bhudan Moment, and in 72, under the leadership of Minal Gore, they participated in Latne Morcha. The next moment was Chipko Moment. Another show of constructive woman power was seen during the Chipko Moment in 1973. Trees from the forest in the foothill of Himalayas were to be cut down for commercial purpose. Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahuna had started a movement to prevent this. What happened in 1973? The trees from the forest in the foothill of the Himalayan, that side forest, trees were to be cut down for the commercial purpose. For prevent this one, under the leadership of Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahuna, they started a movement. So women followed this strategy of holding hands and encircling each tree. So women participated in this movement, and what they did, they hold their hands and encircle the each tree, as their method consisted of protecting the trees by embracing it. The movement came to be known as Chipko Moment. This movement is known as Chipko Moment. Means the women are participated in the Chipko Moment. What they did, women followed the strategy of holding hands and encircling each tree. So this moment is Chipko Moment. Women took part in this large number. Women had a big role to play in the agriculture economy of this region. Then after that, with the help of Sudeshna Devi and Vechani Devi, the Gaura Devi created the awareness among the women. Today we have learned about the manifestation of women's power. For the first time they manifested themselves was through Bhudan Moment. Then they participated in Telangana peasants' armed struggle. It was against the rule of Nizam and feudal system. Then the women participated in the Latna Morcha. It was led by Minal Gore, and it was against the price rise of commodities like kerosene and the shortage of essential goods like oil, ghee, rava, maida, etc. Then the women were participated in Chipko Moment. So tomorrow we will be studying about the next moment, that is anti-liquor movement. Okay, thank you.